This is how you remove a keyboard on a Dell Latitude E6410. You want to pop this up right here. Once you pop that up, there's two screws. One right here. One right here. Once that is out, you want to push this keyboard in that direction. You kind of lift up here and then push it or pull it, or however you could do it, but it's got to go in that direction. And once that's out, you get your new keyboard, you lay it down in here. Now you want to shove it in here. Make sure all these little tabs are aligned. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but I think it's in there. Once you do that, you put your screws back in. Push on it, make sure it's in there tight. Set this in. I'll put that end in first. And once you do that, your new keyboard's installed and you're finished.